Behind every child who believes in themselves is a parent who believed first. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We are Openhouse, a learning center in your neighborhood that strives to be warm and supportive, a safe place for your child, a place where they can find community and learn in collaboration with others. We've handpicked the best teachers from across your city, offering academic and holistic classes. Our community managers will keep you informed and help mentor your child. Yes, we have it all here. This is learning in the 21st century. We are now coming to a neighborhood near you. Warmly, Open House.